Hi, folks. This is Kubernetes Burndown meeting. Today is Monday, 1st of December 2025, and it's week 12 of the release 135. And I'm Ryota. I'll be hosting today's meeting. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. And as I mentioned a little bit earlier, the meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted on YouTube. So please be mindful of what you say. And with that, let's move on to the discussion items and some team updates. So from the open discussions, I don't see anything other than the fact that retro is happening soon. Is there any open discussions that we want to touch on today? And if not, let's move down to the sub-team updates and we'll start with enhancements. Can we have an update from the enhancements team, please?
Yeah. Hey everyone, Ryan this side. So our status is green. We don't have much to update. We had 61 code freeze. 61 caps for code freeze, and now they are going through docs freeze. So yeah, that's pretty much all.
Amazing, thank you. Do we have any questions for the enhancements team? All right, if not, let's move on to release signal. Can we have an update from someone from release signal?
Hello team, Prajit here. So current status is yellow. There are three flag attacks for which we are still awaiting the clear signal from the SIG. So we have already posted reminder message last week and also today. So we are waiting signal on those three issues. Apart from that, everything is good. Yeah.
Great, thank you very much. Do we have any questions for release signal? All right, sounds like there's nothing. Hopefully this turns to green soon. Thank you very much for the update. So let's move on to docs. I see some updates happening right now, but are we ready for providing
Yeah,
updates for the docs side?
yeah, we are reading. We're just updating the names.
Okay.
So our current status is green. For the last week's branching PR that has been created, reviewed, and merged. Currently, the team has sent the second round of reminders to the CAP owners. We also connected with the SIG doc approvers to review the PRs which have gotten the technical round of review and waiting on to get the SIG docs reviews. So that is happening right now. So the team over the next few days till the doc freeze, which is on 3rd December, will focus on to gather the reviews from CAP owners, the docs team, and everyone, so that we can get them merged before the docs freeze. Currently, okay, so another thing is the team will also start working on the final draft of the release notes PR. And currently, we are tracking a 61 of caps for docs freeze. Merged number are 34. Docs which PR which are ready to review is 21. And docs which don't require PRs which don't require any docs are 6 currently. So yeah.
Great, sounds great. So do we have any questions for the docs side? Okay, I think that's a no. Thank you very much. So let's move on to comms. Do we have anyone from comms side to give an update?
Yes, so the current status for the comms team is green. So after the code freeze, we have 15 enhancements with 13 PRs tracked. Four of them are, four feature blocks are ready to be merged as a draft and they're ready to be published. 8 of them are currently under review. So the comms team is currently just ensuring that it adheres to the style guide so that there are no discrepancies in that regard. And one feature blog is still not ready for review. So, earlier, towards the end of last month, we reached out to all the SIGs and we asked them to add in anything which they would like to highlight for the release highlights. So, that is currently completed. We will start drafting the announcement blog post from this week. That's it from the com side. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Do we have any questions for the comms? All right, if not, I think there is, because I was on the comms side, I did see quite a few teams SIGs missing the release highlights. So I think from here, it's a bit of a crunch time and a bit of a difficult, I guess it wouldn't be difficult. It's probably a tight and a bit stressful time for comms, but hopefully we can get through just fine. All right, great. Thank you very much.
We did reach out to some of the SIGs, and quite a few don't have many updates to share this cycle. So lucky, I hope it all just comes through soon.
Great. Yeah, if it comes down to the fact that they don't have anything to really highlight, I think that's fine. That happens as well. So yeah, hopefully everything gets tracked correctly, and you don't have to go through too much of stress because of the very tight timeline later down the line. But yeah, sounds like it's all in good progress. So thank you very much for the team's effort, and yeah, thank you for the update.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on, and we'll probably not have too much to say from here. So release branch management status is green unless explicitly stated otherwise. And I'm not sure if this has been fully reviewed at this point. And for the sub-project lead, Kat, and also release lead, we don't have an update just yet. This is probably due to the fact that the Thanksgiving week, previous week, and people are not probably back to fully working in the office or getting back to the normal kind of work hours. So we'll probably have more updates later today. If not, we'll probably have some updates on the async channel in the SIG release channel. And SIG scalability, we don't have any current status as of now. So I think that covers all of the updates from each sub-teams and some missing updates from release branch management, sub-project lead, release lead, and SIG scalability, which we would probably have a little bit more to talk about later today. Is there any questions or comments for the missing updates from sub-project lead or release lead, anything that we want to highlight, discuss, talk about? And on top of it, is there any other open discussions that we want to touch on before I stop recording? I think I would just say that the retro is happening very soon. This is the first retro, and we would have another retro after the release is fully done. But the first retro is happening very soon. Was it Tuesday? I can't remember exactly, but you should have all the invite. If you don't, I think that will be one of the updates from Kat saying that please update the retro doc to provide any things that you thought that went really well that we want to highlight or encourage people to kind of celebrate with the team, or if you have anything that you thought that it could be better in the next release onward, please do provide your updates or your thoughts in the retro doc. And I think we'll probably have a retro doc and all the details shared in the SIG release channel very soon. So with that, thank you very much. Let me stop the recording. So bye-bye, YouTube. Thank you.